fish in a barrel.
What's up, flippers? It's your captain speaking, back with another sales review. I have 10 things that sold on eBay, and I just wanted to go over them before packaging and shipping them out. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the least expensive thing that sold, we got this Mario with the 1-Up mushroom. I bought it for $3 and sold it for $6.50. I bought this early on when I first got into flipping, held on to it for a while, and just tried to make the most out of a purchase that maybe I wouldn't do again. The next thing that sold, if you watched my most recent video, is the Obi-Wan Jedi vs. Sith Clone Wars figure. So this came in a lot. I spent $4 for everything, and this sold for $10. So this already paid for the entire lot, and this is probably one of the least expensive things in that lot. Moving on, we have this wooden rifle stock. If I was able to identify it, it looked like some of these were going for between $50 and $125. I wasn't able to identify it. I really don't know where it came from. I bought it for $4, and it sold for $15 in an auction. So this LL Bean shirt, it's just a large checkered shirt. I bought it for $2 and sold it for $17. I took the best offer. We also got Rick from Rick and Morty. I bought this plush for $1 and took a best offer for $17.50. We got another item from one of my videos, the Spongebob Imaginext Bus. This came from a lot where I spent $20 for everything. The lot, I believe, already paid for itself, and this bus sold for $20. Next, we got this Phantom of the Opera ceramic mask. I was able to find this for $3, and it sold for $20. I took the best offer. We got the mitzvah moose for, all your bar mitzvah needs. I was able to find this for $5, and this sold for $21. I took the best offer, but this is free shipping. For the second to last item, I bought a bag full of Betty's spaghetti miscellaneous parts, arms, legs, and things like that. I bought the entire bag for $10 and was able to sell in an auction for $31. It was kind of unfortunate because I had done this auction earlier and it went up to $52 and the buyer didn't pay. But I'm still happy. It's still a decent profit. And to finish it all off, we have this Star Wars Starship Battles lot. It's just a tabletop game. I was able to buy the whole bag for $10. There's some pieces still out that I haven't taken out. But I put it as an auction and it sold for $45. So here's a final breakdown of everything that sold. It looks like the Star Wars ship was really my only big profit sale, but the little things really do add up, and we got a total profit of $139.43. Not bad. Well, that's all for this video. I'm really happy at the pace that my things are selling. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any comments, things that I can improve on, please let me know. And as always, I will catch you guys on the flippity flop.